All right, so we are looking at finding the mean of grouped data. Right, let me just zoom into the table. All right, we've got data. We've arranged our data into classes. All right, and this next column here represents the frequency. All right, so what we're going to do is we're also going to have to find the midpoint of each class. All right, so let me just say here. So the midpoint would be represented by x. All right. So to get the midpoint of each class, all right, you're going to add the lower limit of the class, right, by the upper limit of the class. All right. So we're going to say 1 plus 10, right, and then we divide it by 2, right? 1 plus 10 divided by 2. So 1 plus 10, that is 11. 11 divided by 2, you're going to get 5.5. Okay? 20 plus 11, right? 20 plus 11, we get 31. 31 divided by 2, all right? 31 divided by 2, we get 15.5, right? The next one, 21 plus 30, we get 51. Divided by 2, we get 25.5, right? The next one, we get 31 plus 40, we get 71. Divided by 2, we get 35.5. All right. And the next one, 41 plus 50, we get 91 divided by 2, 45.5. All right. So found the midpoints of each class. All right. In the next column, we're going to multiply the midpoint times the frequency. All right. F and X. Right. So we're going to start 8.5 times 8, 5.5 times 8, we get 44. 15.5 times 4, we get 62. 25.5 times
I wanted to
2.
ask, is F always given?
Yes, yes, F is always given, all right? You'll be given a lot of numbers, right? All right. Then you put them in classes. So in the class of 1 to 10, we've got 8 values, okay? In the class of 1 to 10, we've got 8 values. In the class of 11 to 20, we've got 4 values, okay? So F will be given, all right? It will be given to you, right? Usually, they'll even give you the whole table and they'll just tell you to find the mean and everything else. So, yeah. So 25.5 times 12, we get 306. 306. And then 35.5 times 9, you get 319.5. 319.5. And 45.5 times 7, you get 318.5. Right. Now, if we see our formula here, right, it tells us the summation of fx divided by the summation of f. So basically what they're telling us to do is let's find our total value of our frequencies. All right. So we say 8 plus 4 plus 12 plus 9 plus 7. All right, we're going to total up these values. All right, find the total for frequency. 8 plus 4 plus 12 plus 9 plus 7. Right, we get 40. That is our total. Right, so say 40 here. All right. Then here, f of x, we're going to total it up also. We'll say 44 plus 62 plus 306 plus 319.5 plus 318.5. We're going to get 1050. All right. Are we also getting that value when we tally up these numbers? Is everyone getting these values?
Yes.
Okay. So now we're just going to input into the formula, right? So we say mean equals, all right? So the summation of f times x, 1050, divided by the summation of f, which is 40. All right, so 1050 divided by 40, we get 26.25 equals 26.25. All right, so that is our mean.